In this video, I will explain to you 10 signs of relationship anxiety. Relationship anxiety is a common experience characterized by excessive worrying, doubt, and insecurity about your partner or the relationship's future. It can manifest in various ways, like constantly seeking reassurance, jealousy, or fearing abandonment. While some anxiety is normal in relationships, it becomes problematic when it interferes with your daily functioning or creates distance between you and your partner. Try to watch this video to the end, because I have some tips for managing relationship anxiety that I will tell you towards the end of this video. Here are 10 signs of relationship anxiety. Number 1. Constant worrying. A healthy relationship should bring joy and security. If you find yourself constantly fretting about your partner's feelings or the future of the relationship, it could be a sign of anxiety. Before we move to the second sign, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks. As you do so, let's continue. Number 2. Fear of abandonment. Do you have a nagging fear that your partner will leave you, even if there's no evidence to support it? This fear can stem from past relationship wounds or low self-esteem. Number 3. Need for constant reassurance. People with relationship anxiety often seek frequent reassurance from their partners. They may need constant texts or calls throughout the day and become anxious if their partner doesn't immediately respond. Number 4. Overthinking conversations and actions. Do you find yourself replaying conversations in your head, dissecting every word and gesture for hidden meanings? This excessive overthinking can fuel anxiety and create problems that don't exist. Number 5. Jealousy and possessiveness. Insecure feelings can manifest as jealousy and possessiveness. You might constantly monitor your partner's social media or question their whereabouts. Number 6. Difficulty communicating needs. If you're anxious about your relationship, you might hesitate to express your needs or concerns for fear of upsetting your partner. Bottling up your feelings can lead to resentment and distance. Number 7. People-pleasing behaviors. Do you go out of your way to please your partner, even at your own expense? This people-pleasing behavior can stem from a fear of losing your partner's love or approval. Number 8. Avoiding conflict. Healthy couples disagree sometimes. If you avoid conflict altogether because you're afraid of rocking the boat, it can create resentment and hinder intimacy. Number 9. Comparing your relationship to others. Social media can fuel feelings of inadequacy. Constantly comparing your relationship to seemingly perfect portrayals online can exacerbate anxiety. Do you also find yourself constantly checking your partner's social media for signs of infidelity or disapproval? This can be a sign of insecurity and anxiety. Number 10. Sabotaging the relationship. In some cases, relationship anxiety can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors. You might pick fights, push your partner away, or create unnecessary drama. People sometimes push partners away due to fear of intimacy, past relationship trauma, or low self-esteem. This can manifest as jealousy, possessiveness, or difficulty communicating needs. If you're experiencing some of these signs, it's important to address them. Here are some tips for managing relationship anxiety. First tips: practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, like meditation, can help you stay present in the moment and reduce overthinking. Focusing your awareness on the present moment, without judgment, it's a way to train your mind to be more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. There are many benefits to practicing mindfulness, including reduced stress, improved focus, and better sleep. Second tips: communicate openly and honestly. Talk to your partner about your anxieties and work together to find healthy coping mechanisms. Communicating openly and honestly is a valuable skill in any situation. It builds trust, fosters understanding, and allows for better decision-making. Third tips: boost your self-esteem. Building a strong sense of self-worth can reduce your dependence on external validation from your partner. Building self-esteem is a journey, but there are definitely things you can do to feel better about yourself. Fourth tips: seek professional help. If your anxiety is severe or impacting your daily life, consider seeking professional help from a therapist. Remember, if you're struggling with relationship anxiety, it's important to understand its root cause and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Consider talking to a therapist or counselor who specializes in relationship issues. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.